Oh hi. So today I have with me the Philips Deluxe Alpha Swatch deep pan 5 liter pressure cooker. Such a ridiculously long name. So out of all the Amazon options in 5 liter pressure cookers that I saw on Amazon, I chose this one. Firstly, because it had a unique design, and secondly because the unique design itself it claims to prevent spillage. So spillage is one thing that I have noticed with pressure cookers, that they tend to spill steam from their nozzles. So I hope this design reportedly it works as it claims, and it prevents spillage because of the design of the cover, the lid. So let's just see what it is. Here is the cover right here. User's manual, we will come to that. This is the boxing, by the way. And here is the 5 liter Svachh Deluxe Alpha Prestige deep pan cooker. So let's unbox all of it. It arrived just now, so because I'm completely new to cooking, I'm just discovering these things just as you are. And if you are like me, then you might have noticed that this is one of the more premium cookers in the 5 liter range. You have some very fancy looking Hawkins, which is like India's premier cookware brand, and then you have this. Hawkins commands that price for the name, the brand name, and also that sleek design. I really like the design. It looks really ultra modern. This one doesn't look as sleek, but it is certainly different. So also Prestige is not Prestige is almost as good as Hawkins when it comes to brand reliability. It has got 1 year warranty. So here it is. You can safely skip that. And here is the cap, the whistle you call it. We can keep it here. Now let's see how it should work. Oh yes, here is another safety feature. So this thing, if you can see it, can you see it? Yeah. So it moves up and down according to the pressure inside, according to the pressure of the steam, the hot air inside. Okay. So this is one of the unique features of this cooker. Another reason to say about it over the other. Although I mean, kind of, you can just use your intuition, but still, it's a nice add-on to have. So it lets you know when it is safe to open the cooker. Now naturally you can feel that it is a bit silly because a cooker itself won't open if there is steam built up inside, if you don't let the steam dissipate and let it cool down. But let's just call it is a dummy proof safety device. Yes, these things are necessary. So here is the main cooker itself. The plastic seems solid enough. Yeah, seems solid enough. That's not, I'm applying quite a lot of pressure than you would in real life. Doesn't seem like it is coming off anytime soon. The handle looks, it is hollow inside, but it looks sturdy enough. and the whole thing looks pretty thick. It looks pretty strong. 5 liters, huh? Here is the lip, which gives it the whole unique property, the whole non-spillage thing. Along with this, the gasket is here, and unlike normal pressure cookers, this one has a very thick and uniquely shaped gasket. I don't want to take it out for fear that I won't be able to put it in again. Actually I can, but you see, here is the entire gasket, and it's a hefty device. Wow, impressive. There's the sound. Impressive enough. Now let's see, how do you put it all together? I don't know what is the correct way to put it together. I'm assuming something like this. And then you slide it into place. Oh wait, I get it. From the other side. I say from the other side because see here and here. So it should work only one way. So let's see. Is it going to be more finicky than a normal pressure cooker? Have I made the wrong choice? God, I hope not. No, there is a gap. It didn't work. Although the handle fitted well, but there is a gap outside, so I didn't do it well. Is this going to be more of a headache? Should I return it when I have the time? No, this should not take such an effort. Got it. Simple. So here is a delta, a triangle that points back at you. Yeah, and corresponding to it is another delta that points, and they should point towards each other. So basically, this is the sweet spot. This is the sweet spot, and then you slide them together. But then again, no. This must be painful for you to watch. But finally, we did it. Both of them are together. Let's do that again. Let's try to do it faster this time, as if we are actually cooking. Here it is, immediately. Nope. Something didn't fit. Do I have to use 2 hands every time? I think I have to. I want to get this right before I put it away, or before I actually start to use it. So while I have figured it out and can do it reasonably fast, provided the whole thing is cold and I have got my hands free, I want to be able to do it a bit faster. a bit naturally in a smooth motion, and that is simply not coming. So here we are, and with a little bit of pressure, yes, it works, but this is nowhere as smooth or as elegant a motion as you would use a normal pressure cooker for. But on the plus side, it is certainly something different. So the reason why it is not a smooth motion is because of the thick gasket, the thick plumbing, uh, the thick insulation that it provides. So you have to press it a bit even from here, and that is the only way it will sit into its place. I am not too impressed. I must confess, I am not too impressed with the operation of this. So I guess that explains why this technology, this non-spill technology, never caught on. Am I right? And why normal pressure cookers are still the default choice for millions. But anyway, here is me. Let me try to attempt it in the smoothest way possible. One more time. Okay? And it won't. It is not working. You need two hands. Once more. Will this become problematic, cumbersome? Will I not enjoy doing it when the whole thing is hot or when you are trying to cook something in a hurry? I don't know. But there it is. Certainly a unique looking cooker with some unique features. But yeah, as you might have guessed, a bit fidgety to work with. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.